Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can drag this file right into this folder. Yes, very important. So you have this folder now. You want to get rid of these files, so you want to drag them inside here. Dragging it sometimes kind of look a bit, ticklish for some person and all that. But all you want to do that carefully, you want to put the cursor right here on it, along the left side. Whether the mouse I take, I just drag it like this and just chop it right there. You go on hold the cursor like this, put it on it, hold it down, and then drop it like that. Alright, let me copy the next file, and I'm going to show how you can actually do more than one at the same time. Alright, let me paste this as a circle, and then you see exactly what's going on. Alright, in order for me to copy these two files here, I drag these two files right here into the folder. I can come right here, so and black two of them, and then put the cursor on one, and I just drag it like that, both of them actually into the folder. Alright, so this is how you drag and drop file into a folder. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.